What's up everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about the Huawei's sub-brand Honor 40 series. Honor is slated to launch the Honor Play 40 and Play 40 Pro smartphones. Both handsets have been doing the rounds of the internet. They were previously spotted on Tina.com and a couple of Chinese retailers, revealing their design and other key details. Now, courtesy tipster Ishan Agarwal and 91 Mobiles has learned complete specifications of the vanilla Honor Play 40 smartphone ahead of the launch. Starting with Honor Play 40, it will support a 6.4-inch IPS display with HD Plus resolution and 269 pixels per inch. The display is confirmed from its listing on e-commerce platform will flaunt a punch hole in the top right for the selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone will feature AI dual rear cameras comprising of 48 megapixel primary sensor and 2 megapixel secondary sensor. The front will pack an 8 megapixel shooter for selfies and video calling. The handset will be powered by Huawei's Kirin 710A chipset, which is a mid-range SoC from 2018, paired with up to 6GB of RAM and 128GB user expandable storage up to 512GB using a micro SD card. Software-wise, the Honor Play 40 will run Magic UI 3.1 with open source Android 10 out of the box. The entire setup will be driven by 4000 mAh battery. There will be a rear mounted fingerprint scanner for security and the handset will weigh 176 grams. While the Honor Play 40 price is unknown at the moment, we can tell that it will be available in a black and blue color options. Lastly, the phone will have Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless connectivity. Google services should not be installed on this device. While on the other hand, the Honor Play 40 will be accompanied by a Pro model, and the specification of that model have already been leaked via Tina.com. Ishan Agarwal added that the Honor Play 40 Pro will be powered by Kirin 810 chipset and house a 16 megapixel front camera. Other than these, the handset is expected to feature a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with on-screen fingerprint scanner and 20:9 aspect ratio. It is said to be powered by the Kirin 810 processor, clocked at 2.27 GHz, coupled with 6GB and 8GB RAM along with 128GB and 256GB internal storage. Further, the triple camera on the Honor Play 40 Pro will consist of a 48 megapixel primary camera, an 8 megapixel secondary camera and a 2 megapixel shooter. The phone is said to be running Android 10 OS and is likely to have HMS support. The device will be powered by 4000 mAh battery and support 22.5 watt fast charging technology and Android 9 Pie based Magic UI 2.0 OS. The handset will weigh 165 grams. The phone will come in black, emerald green and Icelandic vision color option. While the price is still unknown, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get more updated and latest news, leaks and reviews of phones. Thank you.